Jumping onto the GJ, we talked about this that it has a lot more potential to go down, and that's exactly what happened on GJ. Price gave us this whole correction which I talked about, and another fall, breaking the structure again. And still, there is a lot more potential to it to go down, and still expecting some sort of pullback and another fall coming down to target these lows or maybe this low. So, and it is Friday and end of the month, so be cautious. Price can do a little weird thing as well, so I don't want to make you guys to lose on the end of the day or end of the month. So be cautious on this one. Another pullback for another fall. That's all for GJ.